Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the top 7 ways you can make money online. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side, or start a full-time business, there are plenty of opportunities to make money online. So, let's dive in. First up, we have freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online, because it allows you to use your existing skills and expertise to earn money on your own terms. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, there are plenty of freelance opportunities available online. Some popular freelancing platforms include Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. These platforms connect freelancers with clients who are looking for their skills. As a freelancer, you can set your own rates, choose your own projects, and work on your own schedule. Another way to make money online is by teaching or tutoring. You can share your knowledge with others through online teaching or tutoring platforms, like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. These platforms allow you to create and sell your own courses on a variety of topics, from programming to cooking, and to marketing. You can also offer one-on-one tutoring sessions, through platforms like Chegg and Wizant. As an online teacher or tutor, you can set your own rates and work with students from all over the world. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online, by promoting other people's products. As an affiliate marketer, you earn a commission for every sale or lead that you generate for the product or service you're promoting. There are many affiliate programs available, but one of the most popular is Amazon Associates. This program allows you to earn a commission by promoting Amazon products on your website, blog, or even social media channels. You can also find affiliate programs for other products and services in your vocation. E-commerce is a growing industry that offers endless opportunities for entrepreneurs. To make money online, you can start your own online store selling products you make yourself, or you can use dropshipping to sell products from other suppliers. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up an online store and start selling products. You can also sell products on Amazon and Etsy, and other online marketplaces. Taking online surveys is another way to make money online. Companies are always looking for feedback from consumers, and they're willing to pay for it. There are many survey websites out there that will pay you for your opinions, including SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Taluna. While taking surveys won't make you rich, it can be a fun and easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Investing in cryptocurrency is a newer way to make money online, but it's quickly becoming more popular each day. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin have all seen massive growth in recent years, and many investors have made significant profits by buying and holding these digital currencies. To invest in crypto, you'll need to open an account with a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase or Binance. You'll also need to do your research and understand the risks involved in investing in this volatile market. Creating content on YouTube is a great way to make money online. You can earn money through advertising revenue, sponsorships and merchandise sales. To make money on YouTube, you'll need to create engaging and high-quality content that attracts viewers. You can monetize your content through advertisements, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Many successful YouTubers have turned their channels into full-time businesses, earning thousands of dollars a month from their content. As you can see, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money on the internet. Whether you're a freelancer, teacher, affiliate marketer, e-commerce entrepreneur, survey taker, cryptocurrency investor, or content creator, there's a way for you to make money online. Just remember, making money online takes time, effort, and sometimes money. You'll need to invest in your skills, education, and equipment to succeed in any of these endeavors. But with persistence and hard work, you can turn your online business or side hustle into a full-time career. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.